Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A11 and today I'll show you how we can activate Hey Google. At the first you have to go for the Google folder, open Google app, move to the more, tap on the settings, then go for the voice and then tap voice match. And then tap on the switcher, accept all this stuff. As you can see in my case, Hey Google is ready, but in your case you will get this circle like that and you have to say 2 times OK Google and 2 times Hey Google. OK Google. Even when you say OK Google, when it's show the Hey Google, it will still works. Click next, and as you can see it's finished, and right now we can easily use our assistant and say Hey Google or OK Google, and it will work. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.